King, a queen, it's another day, it's another opportunity, and as always, you are blessed. Listen, here is the play I want you to run today. Again, catch what I'm about to throw to you. There is nurture in nature. Let me break that down for you again. There is nurture in nature. What does nurture mean? It's care for and encourage the growth or development of. If you learn to be in tune with nature, right, the natural things around you, that will help nurture the greatness to help you come out, allowing you to birth it. I hope you get that. And if you do, run that play and get it done today.